trigonometry algebra. Cos square 25, cos square 35, cos square 45, cos square 55, cos square 65, cos square 25, cos square 35, cos square 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 whole square. Cos square 55 is equal to 90 minus 35, 95 minus 45. Then sin square 35, sin square 45, sin square 35, sin square 25, sin cos square 25, sin square 35, cos square 35 plus half. 1 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 2. Answer. Please subscribe me, watch this, realize this, and subscribe me. Please subscribe me. All of you progressive minded civilization being, please subscribe me, watch this, realize, and subscribe me. I must be grateful.